Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and to a new vlog. Happy Saturday. I've had the most glorious morning as far as lockdowns go. Our gym has been doing virtual gym classes every single day, like twice a day, and I hopped on and did the Saturday morning one because it's my absolute favorite. It's actually really hard, and straight after went over to the beach, dunked myself in the ocean, and like I swear my heart is still racing from it. Like, it was so freaking cold, but I'm so proud of myself for just jumping in and doing that. Like, that is my goal this summer. I really just want to get in the water. But anyway, fast forward to now. I've just pulled up outside the boat shed which is like the most iconic fish and chip shop in our town because I've been craving fish and chips for like 4 days now, and I'm gonna run over there, pick up the order. I already called to order, and I feel like we've got a lot to catch up on, so I'm gonna go grab this food. Oh yeah. Acquired the goods. It is such a nice day, but it is windy as heck out there. It's like 27. It's like perfect beach weather. Anyway, I should probably get this stuff home before it gets cold, so I'll see you guys there. This little menace is already trying to steal it, but does this not look incredible? Oh my god, this is what summer days are made out of. Honestly, I just need a cocktail now. Hey Dwayne. This is weird. I feel like I never vlog in this room because I hate this room so much, but hello, we're back home. Welcome to my bedroom. The wardrobe in the background is looking real cute right now with the architraves ripped off, but as you guys can see, we are still in the midst of house renovations. But anyway, yeah, I'm back home, which is sort of sad because this full week, hello, life update section of the vlog, this full week we were supposed to actually be in Queensland. That was the trip I mentioned. I think I mentioned it in the last vlog. We were supposed to be going to Queensland for this entire week for my like early birthday. We were gonna get this really cute little god, I like need to turn the fan on, it's hot. So like I was saying, yeah, we were supposed to be in Queensland. We were gonna get a van, drive from the GC up to Whitsundays, and it was gonna be glorious, like. But instead of being in Queensland, I'm here watching Outer Banks, pretending it's summertime, and we're doing house renovations, which is actually fine because going away for the week was obviously going to put a bit of a stop on everything that we're doing here. Since we've been here, obviously we're able to get some stuff done. So I don't even know what has happened since I vlogged last. The drip rockers came, filled in, I don't know if you guys remember, but in the lounge room there was that humongous, I think I've got a clip of it actually, so I'll insert it here, but there was that huge, I don't know how to describe it, there was no ceiling and there was like a humongous hole in the wall from where we took out the old wall. That all got filled in. The drip rockers also just filled in a bunch of holes in the walls throughout the house from like nails and things, and they also chip rocked the ceiling in the bathroom. I honestly think that pretty much brings us up to speed. I don't think there's anything else that has happened. Clay is outside at the moment working on a little something, and I shared it on my stories yesterday and asked like, what do you guys think he's making, and nobody actually guessed it this time around. Literally everybody guessed the mirror. Backstory before I show you guys, it's obviously not anywhere near done yet. He's working really hard on it. But kitchen bench tops, everybody, is not, it's not, I don't know what it is, but I feel like I just don't like any of them. So I said to Clay, like, why don't we get a hardwood one? And Clay's like, well, we're not gonna get a wooden bench top when I'm a builder and can literally make one. So that's what he's out there doing at the moment. Also, our kitchen cabinets should be redone in the next couple weeks. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, I'm gonna grab you guys and we'll go outside and I'll show you guys what Clay's up to with the kitchen bench top. Surprise, it's the kitchen bench top. Oh my god, I'm so bad at explaining things. Okay, I'll see you guys out there. Tell you what, put down the camera for 2 weeks and I'm losing my mind. I don't know how to like articulate what I'm trying to say anymore. Help. Here he is. Look at that. I should have realized that we obviously can't really talk out there while he's sanding it, but yeah, that is it. It is 45mm thick black butt wood. For anyone that's curious, it's going to be a nice thick bench top. But yeah, I think that's about it for the updates. Things were looking really good for us a week ago, just with regards to the lockdown. It looked like we were going to get out, and then somebody came to our town from, I think, Canberra or something, somewhere. But yeah, it looks like this gal is going to be having her 27th birthday in lockdown. So I guess you and I are going to be making cocktails and making the most of it. But you guys, since we like can't leave the house, all I've been doing is cleaning, but then I just make more of a mess. Like, you guys know, before we went into lockdown, I was about to order my bloody IKEA wardrobe. Well, I was on their website the other day and I can't get anything delivered, which makes sense, but yeah, I went on there. I was like, okay, I'm prepared to pay a couple $100 in delivery for this. But yeah, IKEA says no, they're not delivering anywhere. But anyway, I feel like I'm rambling at this point. I'm gonna tidy up this room because it's an absolute mess. Like, it's so embarrassing that I don't even want to show you guys. And then maybe this afternoon, if the wind dies down a little bit, we can go for a walk over to the beach and maybe go for another dunk. I seriously can't believe I got in the water this morning. Like, I'm so freaking proud of myself. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like this summer I really just want to spend more time in and around the water. Like, we're so lucky to live where we live. I feel like because I've lived here my whole life, I really just like take living by the water for granted. And yeah, I said to Clay, let's get a bloody boat. We're probably not going to get a boat, but ow, I'm having a heart attack. Oh, now I remember why I don't eat hot chips. Anyway, yeah, watch this space because this girl might be like getting in the water and diving around. Somebody got a fishing license. I don't think I can do that though. Like, I might try and grab some abalone off the rocks, but like, I don't even think that I am brave enough to stick my hand in a rock to try and grab a lobster. Like, what if it flips out at me? Ugh. Time for coat number 2. That is about as good as this room gets these days. While I don't have a wardrobe, I have all my pants literally folded up on the floor, and in that basket is all my shorts and all my like little bralette crop top things. These are all things that I took out of my wardrobe ready to go into the new one because I really thought that it'd only be a couple weeks and then they would be in there. I was keen, okay? That'll teach me to do something before, you know, that'll teach me to rip clothes out of my wardrobe before I actually have something else to put them into, but not putting them all back on hangers and hanging them up. I used to have all my pants just like folded over like coat hangers and hung up that way, which was fine, but they just take up so much space. But first world problems, you know. Quite a few hours later, and yes, who's making progress out here? Oh my god, oh, he's moved it. Okay, he had it out here a minute ago, or like laid out, and it was looking so beautiful, but you require my assistance? Okay. Last time I'll show you guys this before it's actually in the kitchen, I promise, but I'm actually obsessed with it. I feel like it is such a little beachy, Hamptonsy vibe. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm very happy about it. So amongst everything else Clay's been doing today, he also somehow, between everything, was keeping an eye on these beef ribs that he put in the smoker, and this is going to be dinner tonight. We are on like a clean eating health kick. Absolute roll at the moment. Oh yeah. That was sarcasm if you couldn't tell. I mean, I guess smoking stuff is sort of like healthy, but I think if it's beef ribs, it's probably not. Did I just poke those with my tripod?
You all nearly fell apart, they're that good.
Anyway, I really wanted to go to town to get some like fresh corn and stuff, but I just could not have been bothered at all. So, with peas and potato gems, and tomorrow's a new day.
More peas and potato gems.
More peas and potato gems. That was so freaking good. Clay honestly outdid himself. I'm going to clean up this mess and then we're going to go for a walk over to the beach. Hopefully catch the sunset. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning everybody, happy Sunday. I am just over here getting my beach essentials all ready. We're gonna head over to the beach for a little bit of a swim. You're not coming though, sorry Dwayne. We're just about ready to go, Dwayne. Go jump in the ocean again. You're not coming, I'm sorry. That kills me.
Death.
Don't. Well, it looks really pretty, but it was absolutely awful and so windy. We're heading back home.
beef ribs.
Beef ribs. I'm gonna make an acai bowl. I'm so keen for that. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I cut the vlog off yesterday afternoon after we decided to head home from the beach. The weather just went to hell. It was super cold, raining, windy, and I don't think we really did anything. Clay finished the counter and I can't like see right now. It's so bright. I have you guys on the windowsill. My eyes like twitching. But yeah, like I was saying, Clay finished the kitchen counter and I can't wait to show you guys that. I'm gonna save it. I'm sort of like, my mentality with these like Reno vlogs is to like show you guys the process, but be that person that saves like the finished product basically like right to the end, and then hopefully we can do a grand reveal. But this is me we're talking about, and I literally can't keep anything a secret, so you guys will probably end up seeing everything as it's being done. But anyway, yeah, Clay finished that. I cut his hair and now it's Monday morning. I've stripped the bed, had a shower, did a new tan. I told myself after I scrubbed my old tan off last night, I was like, you know what, I really don't need to do a new tan every single week. It's fine, you'll be fine. But I woke up this morning feeling really pale. Like my whole body is like as pale as my face. I discovered this morning because I've been doing a tan every week for like over a year straight. I feel like I don't even know what my skin looks like anymore, which is so bad. But I'm not about to go lay in the sun, and one day we'll get past it. But anyway, I am just in the kitchen, just made myself some breakfast. This probably is not breakfast food, but it is actually my addiction at the moment. It is an everything bagel, toasted obviously, with whole grain mustard, avocado, and shaved turkey. And you guys, it is 10 out of bloody 10. It is so freaking good. But I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. I need to go get ready to start work, and Monday to Friday during this whole lockdown we honestly don't really do much. Every day is pretty much like what you've seen in this vlog. We take Dwayne on a walk to the beach, try to sneak off to the beach ourselves, and I pretty much just lounge around the house and clean. That is pretty much it, as I'm sure that's pretty much what everyone else is doing too. But yeah, anyway, it was really good to catch up. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, as always, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye. God, Sam just sent me the cutest video and I could actually cry. I miss my girls so much.
Hello. Love you. I food.